from PropertyMum. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Joy. In each episode, we will be inviting guests who are experts in their industry to cook with us and share with us on what they do and the big news that is happening in their market. In the first episode, we'll have Mang with us, and he is the managing partner of Nevis and Avenue 88. Recently, Nevis has caused some shaking in the real estate industry by moving 1,000 agents over from their previous agency to Hutton's. Let's welcome Jackie!
Hi Joy, hi everyone. Thanks for having me.
Thank you, Jackie. I believe that this is the first time that you're on the cooking show.
Yeah, frankly, I rarely cook at home, so I'm really excited and at the same time nervous.
Okay.
So thanks for having me once again, Joy.
Okay, let's get started. Today we'll be cooking salted egg prawn using Thermomix requested by our guests. And Thermomix, right, is actually a machine that helped me a lot in my cooking in the midst of my very busy schedule. I can actually finish cooking 3 dishes in less than an hour. For a busy mom who loves cooking for your family, having a Thermomix will definitely help you. Let's take a look at the ingredients today.
Let's go!
Yep. Actually, what is the hot topic in the property right now?
Definitely the hottest topic right now will be the cooling measures and how will it affect the property market.
Oh, actually when I go for gathering, right, everybody is talking about this cooling measure.
Exactly. My take is that it will slow down the market by a little, but not for long because of these 3 things.
Okay, let's discuss about it.
Number 1, the demand is real. With all the home-based learning and work from home, we all need a bigger home, and that triggers a lot of upgraders.
Yes, definitely. A lot of my clients are upgrading to a bigger space or even private condo with a balcony so that they can enjoy the open space and the facilities. Actually, right, that is exactly happened to my family itself. We actually moved to condo during the COVID period.
Nice. So the new cooling measures don't really affect the first-timer and upgraders, and that's why the property market will still move.
Yep, I totally agree. Oh, okay, the butter is done. Let's add in the next ingredient. Alright, we have the curry leaf. 香吗?
Not bad.
Not bad. 它不是我种的。Okay, curry leaf. 然后我们有
Wow, the butter really smells good.
Yeah, chili padi.
Okay.
And then we have the salted egg yolk.
Nice.
So actually I put in 2 salted egg yolk. If you want, you can put 3, huh? So count your calories lah, huh? Alright, so this will be another 3 minutes. Hey Jackie, I just want to ask something. With the VTL, right, that is happening like this year, more opening up of the borders, right? What do you think that and how that it will actually affect the property market?
Exactly. So that will be my third point. Lastly, with more VTL and borders opening up, more foreign buyers will start to come in. And Singapore property market is still one of the lowest compared to our neighboring countries.
Oh, okay. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Let's add in the next ingredient. Okay, we have the evaporated milk. 我煮了这个好，下一个到你哈。
Sure.
Okay, so water. Okay, chicken stock powder.
Nice.
Yeah.
Smells really good.
还是烧烧的嘞。Okay, sugar. Salt.
How come the salt is pink?
Huh? Because it's a pink Himalaya salt.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. In short, this round of cooling measure, right, I felt, right, it doesn't really affect the first timer and also the upgraders. In fact, the cooling measures are here not to actually to kill off the property market. Instead, it is to ensure that there's a sustainable growth in our property market.
That's right. And also to make sure everyone is prudent in their property purchase.
Exactly. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Next, we will put the prawn.
Okay.
你来煮.
Alright, let me do this.
Try 一下, okay?
Okay, so let me put in the most important ingredient. So, prawn.
Like never cook one, huh?
Everything?
Yes,
everything.
Maybe 留一只虾，红呢? Okay, so we left with 1 more minute. Can you open up the and start? Okay. OK， 给它那个 steam 出来。
Oh, okay, I can see the prawn.
OK, the dish is done. Let's go and see. OK， 拿起来。
Wow, it just smells very good.
呀
Wow.
OK 哦 this is real cooking. It's not like 从下面拿出来哦， like what you say 啦哦。
Wow, and the color looks good too. Nice.
OK, come, let's come and try, everyone. 来。
Okay, let's try. The moment of truth.
Thank you for staying with us. We hope that you have learned more about the cooling measures and our property market. If you have any other property hot topics that you wish to see in the next episode, leave your comment below, and you can also find the recipe in the description below. Remember to subscribe to PropertyMum for more recipe and the property updates. This is Joy from PropertyMum, and this is
Jackie from Avenue 88.
We will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.